Okay, let's pack some boxes for Thredup, shall we? You will not hear me talk a lot likely in this video, at least not while I'm packing these boxes, but because I'm still sick. But I wanted to take you along and show you what I'm planning on sending to Thredup, likely with a Torrid partner label. And then I'm gonna pack a second box that might also go to Thredup, but it might also be part of a post show that I might start doing. I've been approved to do the lives. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but in the voiceover, at least I hope I'll be able to do a voiceover to this soon, once I feel better, I'll talk a little bit more about post shows and how I feel about the potential of doing them. Okay guys, so let's get going. Here's what I'm sending to Thredup to hopefully get some decent Torrid partner credit to either buy some stuff for myself or buy some stuff for reselling. I will not shout out every single item. I just showed this Lucky Brand shirt slash blouse. It's embroidered, it's really cute, but I really don't have much luck with Lucky Brand. So that's going to Thredup. So is this Francesca's little olive green with these colorful, again, embroidered stripes on it. Really beautiful. I got that from the bins. That's going. The Michael Stars is just not getting any attention. I'm not sure where I picked that up, but it may have been in a Thredup box. There's an H&M pair of pants, track pants, joggers is what I'm looking for. These are newer tags, but they don't retail for much. I think they're cute, but I don't know what Thredup's gonna do with them. I haven't sent stuff to Thredup in a really long time. I honestly don't know what they're going to take and what they're going to just donate, because I did not ask for my items back on when I requested these labels. And with the Torrid partner labels, from what I hear and what I've read on the Thredup website, unlike the Athleta and like Banana Republic, Gap, whatever labels, partner labels that you can order, they will not instantly purchase your item. Thredup will not, but rather they will list them the same way they would list your clothing if you didn't have a partner label and you send it in. So I'm curious to see how that's going to work, and I will definitely film an update video on that once the time comes and once they have processed my items here, to see how that's going to work out. Because if they just list the items like they normally would, can I then adjust the prices? How much control do I have over this? I don't know. And I think there's also a limitation, and I'll put it on the screen if I can find it, as to for how long they're going to keep the items. So it's an experiment, but honestly, I'm fine with parting ways with all of these items. They have been sitting in my stores and closet for some of them for years, and they're not serving me, and they're taking up space, and I really needed to clean out part of my inventory to restart or redo rather my inventory system. So I am sending them a lot of new tag stuff, like this bodysuit, super cute. If I'm doing a post show, I actually might show that off there. I have two different boxes going on. I think this sweater, this Moon and Madison, which you can purchase this at TJ Maxx. But if I'm doing a post show, I would likely show it there. I don't know. So I'm a little on the fence about the post shows. I'm just not a person, or I don't have the personality, I feel like, to do the live selling thing. I would try it out, but I also feel like it's a lot of work and a lot of effort for a very small return on your time investment and, you know, whatever your investment initially was on your clothing items. So I don't think I would do it for anything I just picked up or for anything high priced, although the advantage to doing a post show or even a whatnot sale with items that you just picked up or that you even unboxing live is that you don't have to, you know, process them in any way if they sell. But either way, my particular situation is different. I have all these items that I picked up and that are not selling for me. So I think here I'm showing this Amuse Society, very thick, like horse blanket type cardigan. I purchased this from Goodwill online and paid up for it because I thought it was like a Revolve brand, which it is sold there, but it's not one of their good ones. So I've been sitting on that forever. I have random stuff from Boohoo, as you can see here. I think I, threw a few pairs of jeans in there, like Silver and Citizens of Humanity, which both used to do really well for me. Now they do not. So most of the time I don't even pick them up anymore. Very picky with my denim. Then I have all these random like cutesy tops by what I think are boutique brands, like this, what was it, Chloe and Katie that I just showed. As I'm recording this, I will say my video is super choppy because it's still processing, so I may be a little bit off when it comes to the brands that I'm shouting out versus what I'm showing you here. But I mean, it's honestly, these are items that are honestly not that interesting. That's why they're leaving my house, and I just wanted to document this process. It also helps me to then come back to these videos to see what I actually send in, so when they're listing my items I can compare and we can take notes. It just occurred to me that I did not count how many items I'm pulling, or I already pulled from my stores and closet, but I think it's from what I have in Vendu, and I have all of these still in Vendu as drafts. I could go back and count, and if I do that, I will also pop it on the screen. But it's definitely over 100. I think it's like 110, 120 maybe items that I'm getting rid of. So it's a good amount. Again, lots of stuff that came from Thredup or Goodwill Blue boxes, like this like little lacy top I just showed, this Cynthia Rowley. So lots of items that I did not even pick out, but also lots of items that I did pick out at one point or another, and that I'm tired of looking at. So I will let you watch me dig through these clothes some more and show off some items that are going to Thredup. I'll try to keep up with the brands, but yeah, again, my voice is still a little bit affected by this whole cold situation, so I'm gonna have to rest that as well. Okay, so by the way, if you're wondering what is this random greenery and these Walmart bags doing behind me, that is a different project. That is for some crafts that I plan on doing, some like decoration and things like that. I'm kind of back in my crafty / wannabe crafty era, where I watch a lot of like Dollar Tree decoration tips and organization tips and craft these things with Dollar Tree items type of videos. Let me know in the comments below if you can relate to that. But yeah, I'm planning on doing something with that. I also plan on organizing it. Right now it just gets chugged on these steps that go up to my inventory room, and the door is usually closed, so I don't have to see these items. But again, I'm trying to no longer avoid that, and also do something with it. So being sick for almost 2 weeks definitely knocked me off my feet quite a bit. So I've fallen behind on reseller tasks, I've fallen behind on other things I've been meaning to do and tackle. So there's that. And I didn't bother to move these before filming. This dress that I'm showing right now, I have 4 of these. They're also a Muse Society, same as that horse blanket jacket cardigan thing I showed earlier. And I picked these up from the thrift store. And I have 4 total, 2 in a size small and 2 in a size medium, I believe. So what I did was I pulled 2 of those, a small and a medium, and I'm putting those in the box. I think I may have put those in the box of items that I potentially might show at a Posh show. So again, TBD on that. I need to be back to like full health before I can even think about doing a Posh show. I might honestly just do it once, take one for the team, and then make a video about it, so mixed with good content. But yeah, from what I've seen also, what people are doing with Posh shows on the platform, it's becoming really oversaturated, and people use the platform and the format for lots of things that are anything but a live sale. So we chatted about it during one of my Relist and Relax lives, or probably more than one. So I can link that whole playlist up above here on this video, so you have something to watch later if you're interested. And if you want to hear more of my thoughts on it, you should definitely join me on the next Relist and Relax. Anyway, I'm just chugging along through this whole box. There's so much stuff left. This is a St. John's Bay that I got in a Goodwill Blue box, I think. It is new with tags, and it's actually kind of cute. It's like floral and cute little sleeveless button down. If it was my size, I probably would keep it. This Joanna Barashi, Really good brand. Really happy when I found this dress, and it's just not selling for me. It's super cute, kind of bodycon, like tweed dress. Anyway, sometimes sold at Anthropology, but it has not done well for me, so we shall see how it does on Thredup. W5 is a brand that I just showed here that I personally like very much for my own closet. I don't know what was going on with my face just now. I'm clearly not feeling this anymore. But anyway, W5 is also a brand I see a lot on Thredup, so very oversaturated. Not sure if they're gonna take it. There's the other Immune Society dress. And I have a bunch of like collegiate sweatshirts, hoodies, sweaters that I picked up when the whole collegiate hoodie thing was supposed to be a thing and turned out not to be a thing, at least in my closet. Here's another item that I picked up from or got in a mystery box. So yeah, lots of those. A Ralph Lauren shirt. There are also a bunch of items in here I will say that I got for free. Not this pair of Theory pants. I think that came from a box, and Theory retails so high but doesn't normally not sell well or fast for me. But there are definitely some items in there, and some I've already shown that I got from friends or family of friends, that sort of thing. So with those, it's less frustrating to pull them and send them to Thredup because I didn't have an investment, at least not a financial investment into them. But I invested time into every single one of these items. Make no mistake. There are a few upcycled items in here, and I was actually thinking about, going back to the craftiness and the Dollar Tree crafts and such that I mentioned earlier. I would like to do some like thrift flips and use thrifted items and just redo them for decoration purposes or like organization purposes. But I think it would also be just a natural extension of what I do on this channel to repurpose some thrifted items, do some thrift flips with clothing items specifically, because that's what we talk about mostly here on this channel. I don't know if I have enough faith in my skill set or lack thereof to actually do that, film it, and put it out on the internet. But if this is something you would be interested in, or you want to challenge me to do that, please, by all means, go ahead, put it in the comments, and I will see what I can do. I have a whole thing of fabric paint somewhere that I, once upon a time, wanted to use to paint a denim jacket. So I don't know what happened with that. I probably sold it as is, or I sent it to Thredup and got money for it. But I, still have that sitting around. So I might do something with it. Who knows? Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'd be interested in. Okay guys, so as we're winding down, as we're wrapping up this video, as you can see, not much left there. There is, yep, a little bit hiding behind the box. But yeah, as I'm showing you these last few items here, a pair of silver jeans, I think there's a Prana and a Bowden top in there as well from what I saw just now as I was putting items back in the box or next to the box. As we're wrapping things up here, I just wanted to remind you that if you're into thrifting and reselling clothing in particular content, then please do subscribe if you're not already. Please like this video if you had a good time, if you found this somewhat interesting or entertaining, or if I was just adequate background noise for whatever tasks you tried to tackle today. In that case, please also give me a like. I will see you guys very soon with another video where I'm actually talking as I'm showing you things or unboxing things, and I will see you soon on a Thursday for another Relist and Relax Live. Bis dann, tschüss!